Hello children, this is Shweta Tiwari. This is Unit 2, Plants and Animal. Lesson 3, Animal Senses. In this chapter children, we are going to learn about different senses in animals. As you already studied about the sense organ in human being, we are having 5 sense organ. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. All these sense organs are helping us to feel, to see, to hear, to taste. In the same way children, animals are also having sense organ which helping them to feel or to take right decision at the same time. Animals can survive because of their sense organs only. Most of animals are using their sense organ to find their food items, or sometimes they are, according to need, they are escaping from the dangerous situation. Just like any preying animal or preying bird is coming to catch them, so they are running away by sensing them. If any sense organ is helping them to sense that some danger is there, so they are running away from that situation. Some animals are very fast at recognizing the situation in which they are, so they can react according to that. Some of their sense organs are sharpened than ours. But we are also having sense organs which are helping us very nicely, but animals are having more than us stronger sense organ. First example is given here, sense of smell. How animals or insect or birds are sensing smell. Many animals are having sense organs just like more than a human being, especially when they are searching their food item. Hunting animal or hunting birds, which are called preying animal or preying animals, they are searching their prey by the sense of smell. Just like dog, cat, they are finding their food item by the sensing of by the sense of smell only. Some animals are having, maybe you have seen that dogs or cows or any other animal, that they are having wet nose. Always their nose is looking little slimy or little wet. Why they are having so? Because this type of nose is helping them to sense more nicely the smell of their food item. Others animal, maybe you have seen that they are having long droopy nose. Some animals are very sensitive towards the smell of single drop of blood, like shark fishes. They can smell a single drop of blood in a big ocean. Dogs, cat, jackal, tiger, elephants, bear, rhinos and lions have a great sense of smell, which help them very much to find their food, or whenever they are with their kids, then also their sense organs are helping them to help their babies, or to protect them also. They are using their sense organs. In many ways children, these sense organs are helping animals. Then only they can survive easily in this world. Most of the insects use their antenna to smell odors. Ants use their antenna to smell sweets. Maybe you have seen in your kitchen, whenever a piece of or a bit of sugar is lying on the floor, या कहीं भी अगर शक्कर का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा भी गिरा हुआ है, many ants are running towards that piece of sugar. And by seeing that single ant, others are also running towards there by making a single line. How they are able to make a single line? Maybe you have seen that many species of ants are able to communicate with their nest mates. Means with other ant or other bees. They are using chemicals, scent, known as pheromone, which is coming out from their body. Chemical is coming out from their body means, yes, these animals these insects are taking out a type of scent, as your parents, maybe your parents are also using scent or perfumes for a good smell or for a good smell only. In the same way, children, some animals or some insects are taking out a scent from their body only, which is called pheromones. Actually, these pheromones are helping them to detect or to find their food item. As bees find their food by the odor of the flowers, by smelling the flower, bees are able to find their nectar. Because bees are having chemoreceptors. What do you mean by chemoreceptor? Chemoreceptors means taste receptor. Taste receptor means the organ by which these bees can find out food or its taste. They are having these taste receptors on their jaw, forelimbs and antenna. Imagine करो कि मधुमक्खियां अपने जॉ की मदद से अपने आगे के पैर, फोरलिम्स मीन्स आगे के पैरों की मदद से और एंटीना की मदद से टेस्ट कर रहा है फूड आइटम को. डू वी आर ऑल्सो हैविंग टेस्ट बर्ड्स in our jaw or forelimbs or antenna? No, we are having taste buds only in our tongue. But these animal or insect are having taste buds in their different body organ, more than one. Butterfly too has chemoreceptors on their feet. See, उसको कहीं जगह नहीं मिला. It is having chemoreceptors on their feet only. वो पैरों से चीजों को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. In the same way, earthworms' entire body is covered with the chemoreceptors. Maybe you have seen earthworms, यानी केचुओं को आपने देखा होगा. उनका जो साइड बॉडी लाइन है, वो जो साइड बॉडी लाइन है, वहां पर छोटे छोटे chemoreceptors होते हैं. They are having their chemoreceptors on their side body line. These chemoreceptors are helping them to get the food by smelling. Means these chemoreceptors are first send food item, then they are sending message to earthworm's brain. See, here it is, the food item. Mosquitoes move on to animals by detecting carbon dioxide and other body odor. Mosquito, animals or human being, how they are able to find out कि there it is animal or somewhere else any human is sitting to suck blood. Mosquito is thinking that I can suck blood. How? It is getting the smell of carbon dioxide. Mosquito is able to detect carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide means from our body the gas which we are exhaling. Exhaling means हमारी बॉडी से जो गैस निकल रही है नाक से by respiration या मुंह से, वो जो हवा बाहर आ रही है, that is actually carbon dioxide gas. है ना? We are inhaling oxygen and throwing out carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is recognized by the mosquito, and other body odors also mosquito can recognize. If it wanted to suck the blood of any animal or human, it is able to detect our carbon dioxide which is coming out from our body by respiration or the another body odors. Shark has a great sense of smell, especially for blood. This we studied in the previous page. So shark is that animal. If a single drop of blood is throwing in water, ocean water, just imagine ocean is how much large. In that large ocean, if a single drop of water is falling down, this shark is having that much strong sense of smell. And very soon it is reaching to get its prey. Rat and snakes also have a good sense of smell. Then only they are searching their food item by smelling. Next paragraph about the dog I will teach you in next video. Thank you.